What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Roasted Beans and Tires. We got some stickers for the Raptor today, just some things to accent it a little bit. We got them from Rocky Mountain Graphics. They have a bunch of different cars, Ford, Dodge, Chevy. Check out if your car is on there, RockyMountainGraphics.com. I paid for these. They were not given to me, so I'm going to give you an honest review on them. I got a few different ones. I'll go through, walk through, show you which ones I got, and see how easy it is to install. Let's take a look. So this right here is the front of the grill, obviously. I bought what they have as an outline. Thought it'd be easy to put on. Frankly, it was not easy to put on. The outline is very tough. So I started it, and I actually stopped. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to look and see if they have ones that fit the entire thing instead. This right here is the Raptor emblem on the hood. This is, again, it is in orange red that matches the color on the hood and on the back. This was very easy. It goes inside the entire thing. As you can see, it fills in. That was very easy to put on. I'll show you a quick little video. It comes in 3 different pieces. The RAPT is in one piece. The O, as you can see, is in one piece, and then the R comes in one piece. You just gotta line them up. Obviously, it's a little bit harder with me with the camera, and also I got sausage fingers. It is what it is. But honestly, you get in there, you put them on. I used a credit card, and I would get in there and just kind of even it out and line it up. And honestly, that's all you had to do. It was very easy, and you will see that I did it with the next one as well, with the R. This one was pretty easy. Didn't really have any problems here. Honestly, just sticking them in and putting them in place, and that is it. And you will see the outcome here. It looks pretty good. Next in the back is the F-150 logo. This one, again, covers the entire thing. It's not just an outline. So I was able to get this one on. Shout out to Schultz Auto in Jamestown, New York, where I bought the truck from. They're the best. But as you see over here in the Raptor, it was an outline, and that I did not get on. So the F-150 part, we will show you how it went on. Alright everybody, so that wraps up my video for now. As you can see, I didn't install the front Ford, the back Ford, or the Raptor on the back. A few reasons. Listen, I said I was going to give an honest review. This is my honest review. Those were extremely hard for me. I got the outline version instead of the full insert version. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go order the full insert version from the website, from the website, and try those. For some reason, maybe it's me, maybe it's other people, I don't know. It was hard for me to do the outline. They didn't line up very well. It was hard for me to get them to stay. They were bubbling, and frankly, it just kept getting messed up. So I think I'm going to try the full inserts like I have for the Raptor and for the F-150 part. Those I think will just be easier to do. You can do those almost, one by one, and they go in, they fit easier. That's my guess. The ones that I did fit easier. The outlines, listen, I'm just telling you, I struggled. I stopped. To me, it was hard, and it didn't look right. It didn't look very good. I got a little bit of it done, but it didn't look good. So I'm going to go back on. I am going to order the ones that are the full insert, and I can do a review on that. But other than that, I mean, they look awesome. The quality is great. They seem to stick really well. The ones I did get on, the Raptor, stick well. The F-150 stuck well. The American flags look great. Guys, make sure you know which way to put the American flags on. Always have the flags facing the front of the car, so it looks like the flag is waving the correct way. So always have the flag facing the front. Not the flag, I guess the stars, facing towards the front. A lot of people make mistakes on that. It's common, I get it, but just make sure you have that. Other than that, I'm going to go ahead, wait for my other ones to come in. I'm going to order those tonight, and I'll go from there. All right, see you guys later.